She was 72 years old. Never once had a fall in her life. She still enjoyed gardening, walked her dog every morning, and loved to bake for her grandkids. But one night, around 2 a.m., she got up for a glass of water, and never made it back to bed without help. Her right leg locked up mid-step, her calf cramped so hard it felt like the muscle was twisting on itself. She grabbed the wall for balance, but her hip gave way. The result? 3 days in the hospital. Nearly 6 weeks in physical therapy. And a deep fear that the next step might be her last. Now, here's the surprising part. Her doctors checked her heart, her medications, her bones, and everything looked fine. But something important was missing. Not a new medication. Not an expensive treatment. Just 3 simple nutrients, each one vital for keeping your legs strong, your balance steady, and nighttime cramps at bay. Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Harding. For over 30 years, I've worked with older adults across the US and UK. From bustling city clinics to small countryside practices, helping them stay active, independent, and confident on their feet well into their 70s, 80s, and even 90s. And I can tell you this. Falls, cramps, and leg weakness aren't just part of getting older. They're often the body's way of saying, I'm missing the building blocks I need to keep you strong. Today, I'll reveal the top 3 bedtime vitamins that can make a dramatic difference in your leg strength, balance, and comfort overnight, especially after 60. I'll also share 2 common mistakes that can quietly cancel out your vitamin benefits, plus a simple nightly habit that boosts circulation and nutrient delivery while you sleep. Problem: why this matters. After 60, your body's ability to absorb and use certain vitamins drops sharply, even if you eat a healthy diet. Stomach acid production declines, which blocks absorption of key nutrients. Skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. And circulation slows, meaning nutrients take longer to reach your muscles and nerves. The result? Nighttime cramps, heavy legs in the morning, slow reflexes, and that unsettling feeling that your steps aren't as sure as they used to be. But here's the hopeful news: when you give your body the right nutrients at the right time, you can reverse much of this decline. And bedtime turns out to be the golden window for rebuilding leg strength, because that's when your body goes into full repair mode. These 3 vitamins, the 3 vitamins I'm about to show you, each work on a different part of your mobility system. The connector keeps the signal between your brain and legs sharp. The builder repairs and strengthens your leg muscles while you sleep. The guide tells calcium and nutrients where to go, and where not to go. When you take them together, at the right time, they don't just add up, they multiply each other's effects. Vitamin 1, the connector. We'll start with vitamin B12, I call it the connector. B12 doesn't just give you energy. Its main job is to keep the communication lines between your brain and your legs clear and fast. Without enough B12, the protective coating around your nerves, the myelin sheath, wears down. Signals from your brain get delayed or lost. Your muscles misfire, which can cause cramps, stumbles, or hesitation when you try to take a step. Here's the catch. After 60, your stomach produces less hydrochloric acid, and you need that acid to unlock B12 from your food. That means even if you eat plenty of meat, fish, or eggs, you might still be running low. Signs you may be low in B12. Numbness or tingling in your feet. Calf cramps at night. Feeling unsteady when you first get up. Slow reflexes. Science Spotlight. A large study published in Neurology found that seniors with low B12 were 3 times more likely to have walking problems, and had a 60% higher risk of falls. Best form and timing. Choose methylcobalamin, the active form. Take 1000 micrograms as a sublingual tablet, let it dissolve under your tongue. Do it 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach, so it bypasses the digestive system and goes straight into your bloodstream. Vitamin 2, the builder. Next is vitamin D3, the builder. Most people think of D3 only for bone health, but it's also a powerful muscle repair signal, especially during deep sleep. Here's why. Muscles don't grow during exercise. They grow during recovery, and your deepest recovery window is slow-wave sleep at night. That's when your body releases growth hormone and rebuilds damaged fibers. Vitamin D3 acts like the key that turns on your muscle repair machinery. Without it, the rebuilding process stalls, leaving your legs weak and sore. Why D3 drops after 60? Your skin makes 75% less vitamin D from sunlight. You may spend less time outdoors. Kidneys convert less D3 into its active form. Science Spotlight. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that seniors who took D3 in the evening had fewer nighttime cramps and a 19% boost in leg strength in just 3 months. Best form and timing. Choose vitamin D3 cholecalciferol, not D2. Take 2000 to 4000 IU per night. Get your blood levels checked for your exact dose. Always pair with a small amount of healthy fat, like almond butter, avocado, or a few walnuts, for better absorption. Take it 20 to 30 minutes before bed, ideally alongside your K2 coming next. Vitamin 3 The Guide. The third is vitamin K2, the guide. Think of calcium like building materials. K2 is the foreman who tells it where to go. Without K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places, like your arteries, joints, and soft tissues, causing stiffness, pain, and even brittle bones. K2 makes sure calcium goes into your bones and teeth, and stays out of your blood vessels. It also improves how your muscles use glucose for energy, meaning stronger, more enduring legs. Why K2 is rare? It's mainly found in fermented foods like natto, a Japanese soy dish, and certain aged cheeses, not staples in most Western diets. Science Spotlight. A 2021 study in Nutrients showed that seniors taking K2 daily saw a 21% boost in quadriceps strength and a 31% improvement in balance in just 8 weeks. The best results came when taken at night. Best form and timing. Choose -7 Malawian kwachas, most absorbable form. Take 100 to 200 micrograms per night with D3 and a little healthy fat. Common mistake. 1 Wrong timing. Your body isn't on a flat 24-hour cycle, it runs on rhythms. Most repair happens at night. If you take your vitamins in the morning, much of the benefit is gone by bedtime. The fix. B12 30 minutes before bed, under the tongue, empty stomach. D3 plus K2 20 to 30 minutes before bed, with a spoon of nut butter or a few nuts. Common mistake. 2 bad combinations. Some vitamins help each other. Others block each other. Example. Calcium can block magnesium absorption. Iron can interfere with B12. Fat-soluble vitamins, D3, K2, need fat, but many people take them without food. The fix. Pair D3 plus K2, they're perfect partners. Keep B12 separate from calcium, iron, and large meals. Supporting habits. The recovery environment. Even the best vitamins need the right conditions to work. Hydration, drink small amounts regularly through the day. Light dinner, keep your last meal balanced and not too heavy. Gentle movement. Do 5 minutes of ankle rolls, calf raises, or seated leg extensions before bed. Bonus tip, boosting nighttime circulation. Warm foot soaks for 10 minutes before bed can increase lower limb blood flow by 20% plus. Improve delivery of vitamins to muscles and nerves. Reduce cramps and stiffness. How? Use comfortably warm water, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Soak feet for 10 minutes. Dry gently, put on warm socks, take your vitamins, go to bed relaxed. Strength doesn't vanish overnight, it fades through small things we miss. And it can return through small things we choose to do differently. You have the power to rebuild. Not in a year. Not in 6 months. But starting tonight. If this video gave you clarity or hope, tap the subscribe button, hit the bell, and join thousands of others building stronger legs and more confident steps, one night at a time. And for your next step, watch the video right here on the top 3 collagens for seniors over 60, to restore your joints, skin, and muscle naturally.